Do you know why our stomach growls? When we eat, our stomach goes to work, breaking down the food into smaller pieces and then mixing them with digestive juices. After that, our stomach muscles squeeze and contract, moving things around. When the muscles do this, they can create noise. That's what we hear as stomach growling. So what about our stomach growling when we're hungry? When we haven't eaten for a while, our stomach starts to contract, letting us know it's time to eat. The growling sound is caused by the movement of air and fluids in an empty stomach, and it's totally normal. Now you know. You have a question?